Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate my November monthly in my catch-all. This is the classic size Happy Planner dashboard layout. So yeah, I'm going to be using Thankful and Blessed. These stickers are still available in my shop and they are still 50% off. So look how cute these are. I love the colors. You know, November is all about Thanksgiving. It should be. But I am going to start decorating for Christmas in November. Just going to go ahead and just FYI that because I can't help myself. But I do want to do my monthly in a Thanksgiving theme. And then I'm going to also do the currently page, I think, in a Thanksgiving page in a separate video, or a Thanksgiving theme in a separate video. I'm going to use this last Thankful, Grateful, and Blessed sticker from my Fall Quotes 2. So let's pull the stickers off the pages off the disc and get started decorating. I did choose 2 washi tapes. I think this one is a scalped washi from the Happy Planner many years ago. I doubt it's available now. And then this one is one that I used to have in my shop that I cannot find anymore. It's just a really cute kind of orange colored gingham plaid. I think those two are going to match really well. So let's see. Let me get my planner out of the way, because y'all know I'll be making a mess whenever I do my plan with me's. And I don't have my bag, so let's get my bag of goodies and go ahead and lay out what I will need. Maybe some whiteouts, probably an X-Acto, and definitely some tweezers. So we'll put this off to the side. I always make such a horrible mess whenever I do videos. Okay, so in my head, that's scary. In my head, I want to do some random washi tapes. I can't decide if I need to lay decorative stickers down first. Probably so. And since today is November 3rd, I don't think I have anything going on November 9th. So I'm thinking in my head what I'm going to do for decorations here. Let me look at my little sticky note over here. So I'm going to use the large sticker sheet, and I love these girls. They are adorable. So I'm just going to stick this girl down in the bottom corner here. Look at how cute she is. She's like carrying her family's drinks for the family hangout, or maybe the barbecue. Who knows? Maybe they're having a November barbecue. You know, all those TikTok funny videos about the barbecues. I love them. All right. So then we're going to take this cute girl. She's got her apron on. She's been in the kitchen baking all day. We're going to put her in the top. Oops. Please don't stick. Oh, no. Please don't stick. Okay. I feel so relieved. You guys have no idea how relieved I feel to be back home doing Pleasantly Planned full time. This is where my heart is. It's not where the money is, but it's where my heart is, y'all. I love making these videos. I've been in quite a slump for quite a while now, and I feel like I am coming back. So I've said that a couple times before because I keep getting like little jolts of hope, but I really, the past several weeks basically, have been really led to get back to Pleasantly Planned. I have so many ideas for Bible study videos, Bible reading videos while we color. I have so many thoughts, and like my mind is just going like it used to go a couple years ago with ideas for Pleasantly Planned. So I am super excited to see what the Lord is going to have me do with this whole business that He has blessed me with. So thank you guys for being here with me. Thank you for always supporting me. It's been a rough couple years. If you've been here a while, you know the things that I've been through, and it's just been a rough couple years around here. So, but that is not going to keep me from doing what the Lord will have me to do, and y'all know that. y'all know that it doesn't matter what I plan or what I say or what I do. If God has already planned it and ordained it, it's going to happen. So here we are. Okay, look how cute this washi is. So my idea was to lay a couple big stickers down, to lay some washi tape down, and then we'll put some boxes down and decorate. But let's do some cute scalloped washi up here at the top. This is adorable. This spread is going to be so cute. And I'm excited to do my currently page. I'm actually going to attempt to frankenplan some of the monthly planner pages into my currently page and try, since this is my catch-all planner, try to kind of pre-plan the month using those pages. So we'll see what I can do on my next video that I've got coming up, which will be filmed right after this one, but days apart on YouTube. Minutes apart here in reality, and a couple, 1 or 2 days apart in YouTube land. I did also just share a video of me filling your orders, so I thought, hey, this is a cool video, let's do this. So I got busy filming. That was a hard video to make. Let me just go ahead and preface by saying that was a very complicated video to make because I edited. There were so many different miscellaneous clips of all the different steps. I edited as I went. So that video is like a 20-minute video and it took me about 4 hours to make. So just to kind of give you an idea of what goes on behind the scenes in YouTube land, it's a lot of work for a 20-minute video. A lot of work, but I enjoyed making it. I was really proud of myself for making that video, and I'll probably make some more. I actually scheduled it to air this morning at 11 a.m. and it aired, but YouTube gave me a copyright strike. Listen to this. This is funny. I had a subscription for many years to Epidemic Sound, who is like, they provide the background music and stuff that I occasionally use. Well, I thought that once I basically purchased a sound, it was mine forever. Well, apparently when you do the monthly subscription, it's not. So whatever, yada yada. So I got that copyright strike and I was like, oh gosh. So I went on Epidemic Sound and I checked my account. Well, apparently my monthly subscription of like $18 ended in July. Well, y'all, I ain't paid on that thing in forever. So apparently my ex-husband, it must have been on our credit card that was together. So apparently my ex-husband has been paying that for, we've been separated for 3 years this month and divorced almost 2 years. Next March will be 2 years we've been divorced. So thank you, ex-husband, for paying that for me for so long, even though I didn't know it. But anyways, I reinstated the subscription, so hopefully I won't get a copyright strike. So I had to pull that video down and re-upload it and attempt to not get a copyright strike this time. So we'll see what happens, but I thought that was kind of funny with the whole ex-husband thing. And that sticker just stuck where I accidentally laid it, so that's where it's going to stay. Accidentally, on purpose. Not really. Okay. So, thankful, grateful, blessed. All right, so now we can lay down some boxes, and then we'll kind of decorate around our boxes. So, I'm going to use the little quarter boxes. My little sticky note is off to the side here. I really don't have much at all to put on here. At all. I did have a new release on Friday, so I'm going to stick this sticker on here even though Friday's already gone. We're just going to do it for decorative purposes. So we'll put this one here, and I'm going to kind of offset it just a tad. All right, and then November 10th is one of my kids that I did not birth. It's his 24th birthday. He is the same age as my son, my oldest son, who turned 24 October 6th. So we'll kind of offset that a little bit too. I did the gray because I kind of think I'm going to stick to gray boxes as much as I can. And then let's see. to be honest, there is nothing else that I need a box for. So I think I'm just going to lay a couple more gray boxes down and then call it done on this, for this spread. Kind of offset that one. That is way crooked. Y'all are probably screaming at me. And then I think we'll lay one like right down here somewhere. And we'll kind of offset this one the opposite direction. And then I think we're going to use, do I use the small sheet or the mini sheet? I'm going to use, since I have so much space, I'm going to use the small sheet. So let's try, what can we do? I think this would be super cute somewhere. Maybe here? Oops, I covered up, almost covered up the fourth, but it's okay. Not a big deal. And then I think we're going to put, put this one right here. Look how cute this is. I'm ready to write in it already. It's so adorable. All right, let's go to my mini sheet because I feel like I want to do some smaller things. So I still have, I really want to use the garland. I just have never figured out how to make garland work in my planner. Y'all tell me, do you have those issues too? Like I can't figure out how to make it work. I really want to use it though. Like really, really want to use it. Let's see. I need to figure out how I can use it. I don't know, y'all. I'm scared. I'm scared to put it down. I see so many people using it and I just cannot make it work for some reason. We're gonna wing it today and make it work. No, actually we're not. Not going to do it that way. Let's do it. It always stumps me. For some reason, I just cannot make it work. Let's try to make a cluster. Let's try to make a cluster. No, absolutely not. Okay, getting rid of the garland. Some of y'all can use garland. I can't. It's just not me. I can't do it. I can't make it work. I don't know why. My head just does not function in the garland world. So scratch that. I don't know why I can't do that. It's very frustrating. Okay, now we can take, let's take this little decorative sticker here and kind of lay it here on this gray box. I love this. It's so cute. It's adorable. And then I think I'm going to take a long gray box, and put right here. Let's actually put it like almost, actually no, we kind of need to center it. Yeah, scratch that. We're going to try to center it between the two stickers here. Perfect. And then we're going to stick a important sticker on top of it. I should probably offset this. Yeah. Love it. Okay. All right. Anything else in the decorative world that we can lay down? I'm sure I could lay a lot more down than what I've laid down. I don't know, y'all. These monthly spreads always get me. Always get me. That's cute. I really want to lay down this sticker like right here. So we've got like clusters here, a little cluster there, a little cluster there. Kind of feel like I need a little something here, but I'm afraid to add anything because I don't want to have like all the focus on this side of the page. I'm going to kind of add this up underneath this quote just to fill in a little bit of that white space. Not sure I cut that right. We're going to find out. I did. Look, it's so cute. I love this already. Like I said, these monthly spreads just, for some reason, they just whip my behind. So I think, why did I tear the one garland off the one sheet that I didn't use? That's so ADHD. Try to put it back on here. I was totally not paying attention to that. All right, so actually I'm not going to do that because then I'll end up throwing that in my in my stock to be sold, and I'm not going to sell that sticker sheet because it's not perfect or close to perfect. Okay, let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. You guys stay tuned. I'm going to use these same stickers with probably a combination of some Happy Planner stickers to decorate my November currently. And we'll see kind of what I can come up with on that end with Happy Planner stickers. I have so many Happy Planner stickers, I need to start using them. So, oh, yeah, these are my washies. I got my one quote up there. I could probably stand to put another quote down here. I really probably could put another quote down there. I just don't know which one. Pumpkin season. No, I'm just going to leave it alone. But if you're going to try to duplicate this, you could definitely put a quote down here in this corner somewhere. So, all right, that's it for this video. Like I said, the monthlies, they just kind of whip me. So I'm ready to do my currently. We'll get on to that one in the next video. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram. I am trying to be more active over there now that I'm full-time again. So that is it for this video. I love you guys, and I will see you on the next one. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye, guys.